Welcome back, Acadiana. We have two systems in the tropics, Tropical Storm Helene and another system out in the open waters of the Atlantic that is likely to become at least a tropical depression here over the next couple of days. But the big topic now is Tropical Storm Helene, or soon to be Hurricane Helene. Now let's take it over to the green screen and get a bigger overview of Tropical Storm Helene. Right now it has sustained winds of 50 miles per hour as it continues its track towards the west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. It's in between Mexico and South Cuba. It is bringing in heavy rainfall for these locations as well, but it does curve out towards the northeast, becoming at least a Category 1 hurricane. That'll be sometime Wednesday afternoon, and it does rapidly intensify into a major hurricane, which is a Category 3 by the end of the week, Thursday afternoon to be exact, before it makes landfall in Florida's Big Bend sometime Thursday afternoon into the early nighttime hours. Now it does still hold some power there, dropping down to at least a tropical storm as it moves further inland. So winds and heavy rainfall will be a big issue for the southeast, especially for Georgia and South Carolina for the end of this week. And there's multiple tropical storm watches and warnings for most of Florida, even as far north into Georgia. I won't be surprised if South Carolina get in on a few tropical storm watches as well once Helene moves further into the Gulf. Now, as far as storm surge, this goes for at least most of the west coast of Florida, upwards of 9 feet or more for Florida's Big Bend, Tampa, even Fort Myers, all included in high storm surge for the end of this week. And not to mention heavy rainfall for a large portion of the southeast, even a 4 out of 5 there for Georgia, the Panhandle of Florida, even far north into North Carolina and South Carolina. And they already was hit by Hurricane Debbie earlier in August, so still some areas of improvement, but with this next system that will bring in some more destruction there for the Panhandle of Florida. So here are the winds for Helene, highest in the Gulf there for Thursday morning, but once it moves further into or closer to the coast of Florida, we got some light uptick in winds, about 10 to 15 miles per hour here in Acadiana, but the bulk of the wind speeds will be mostly for Florida, even tropical storm force winds for Georgia and South Carolina. But here in Acadiana, we are not dealing with any tropical activity. We'll actually deal with some showers here coming up for this evening and for tomorrow, all associated with a cold front coming in. And as you can tell on the radar, everything is pretty much scattered, but we don't have any lightning or thunderstorms to report as of now. So getting a bigger view of the upper level winds, Tropical Storm Helene right there, high pressure right off the east coast. Now will most likely slide towards the east. We still have some high levels of moisture here in Lafayette, but with that cold front coming in, we'll see some drier air filtering in down to at least 50 degree dew points for Thursday and Friday. We'll start to see that increase. That's a little bit ahead for the weekend, but still very enjoyable over the next couple of days. And as far as those rain chances, the highest that will be on Wednesday. After that, pretty much dry conditions for the rest of the week and the weekend. We got those rain chances between 0 and 10%, so still nothing major as far as rainfall coming up for at least the next week. So for the rest of this evening, we'll start to see those rain showers fizzle out, very dry for that morning commute on Wednesday, but we'll start to see those rain chances increase by the afternoon hours with that cold front coming in. And overall tonight, just very quiet, partly cloudy skies, warm and humid with temperatures in the 70s. We do it all again for tomorrow. Slight uptick in rain chances up to 30%, mostly during the afternoon, but during the morning we can see a few areas of patchy fog. So with the next couple of days coming up, temperatures mainly in the 80s. We got sunny skies arriving for Thursday, mostly sunny. Friday and Saturday, sunny skies again by Sunday. And check out those temperatures, very nice, closer to average in the upper 60s. May have a few areas get into the mid 80s, and as far as overnight temperatures in the low 60s. So just a little taste of fall for this 10-day forecast, but stay tuned. We'll have another look coming up.